In this video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn headline. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So to change your LinkedIn headline, the first thing we're going to do is to open up linkedin.com. Once you do, go ahead and click on your profile picture or name to open up your page. Then what you have to do is to click on the little pencil that you see right here on the right. And now here is where you can edit your profile information. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down and I'm gonna move over to headline. If you don't add one, what LinkedIn is going to do is to simply add the title of your job in case you added it to LinkedIn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it and I'm gonna type in my new headline. You can add whatever it is that you want. I recommend you add what you do or your career title. You can add more than one thing. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and add 4. So I'm adding digital strategist, marketing, and international business, which is my career. If you wish to add more than one thing, you can separate them with these little dashes right here, this line. And then simply click on save. Confirm your action by clicking update profile. And now if we refresh the page, you're able to see your new headline. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.